Alright guys, welcome to Bitcoin daily forecast. Today we're going to be looking at what is happening in the market. On Sunday we did a market breakdown, and obviously everything we predicted was actually happening the way we said it. It's amazing what we have right here. If today is the first time, welcome to Bitcoin daily forecast. We focus on doing market analysis every single day, Monday to Friday. It's amazing. As you can see, Bitcoin, we currently entered in this trade. We are currently in profit. As you can see, we took this trade at this level. We are currently in profit in Bitcoin, and so many other things we did, and which I'm going to be showing you. If today is your first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and like this video. The reason why you're liking this video is for so many other people to see it. And don't forget to join our Telegram group. Check the link in the description and join our Telegram group, because what we'll do here is we'll break down the market, sharing with you our knowledge and our insight and what we expect to happen in the market. As you can see, we are currently in BTC USD trade, and the market is still going down. As you can see, this is where we fall from. We fall from a very significant area, you can see. And like I told you guys yesterday, I don't think we're gonna have big pullback coming up in Bitcoin. I don't think so. From this area, obviously we'll start attacking these lows of 20,000 and even the low of what's going all the way down to 17,000. So this is my overall target for Bitcoin. Now if you think I'm lying, you can actually join the Telegram channel and see when I give out this signal. When I give out this signal on the Telegram channel, we are currently massively in profit. So let me check also our Ethereum, because I also saw Ethereum and I didn't give it as a signal, but Ethereum is currently running in profit as of the moment right now. Okay, Ethereum just hit our stop loss. Oh wow. Okay, I was actually in this trade, and I didn't even check. I didn't know that it has actually hit my stop loss. I was actually in this trade. It tagged me in, and you can see we just captured our stop loss, which is fine. It is what it is. Let me check BNB, but the only signal I gave out was Bitcoin. Yeah, okay, I'm still in this BNB trade. As you can see, I'm still on this BNB trade. Yeah, looking forward to see the market to drop off. As you can see, yeah, I'm still holding this trade. Yeah, I'm still holding this trade, because what I'm seeing right here is a corrective price action that we can actually move to the downside. That's what I'm seeing right here on BNB, as you can see. So we can actually start moving to the downside. As you can see, we are creating liquidity around this area, flat lows and flat highs, that the market can just massively take it off. Obviously I'm still holding this BNB. I'm going to be showing you guys on the Telegram channel what had later happened to BNB, but the Bitcoin trade is still in profit. As you can see, the Bitcoin trade is still in profit. Yeah, we have never hit stop loss. Yeah, but you can actually check the Telegram channel to confirm it. Though I did not give the Ethereum signal, I didn't give it out on the channel. I only dropped the one of Bitcoin. I didn't even drop the one of BNB. But as you can see, what we are predicting is actually happening in the market. So looking at Matic was one of the pairs. Oh, okay, I didn't even take this trade, but as you can see, it came and picked me, and it came to my point of interest and picked me. And as you can see, if I had already entered this trade, it's already hitting my stop loss. I just like to use a very low stop loss, as you can see right here on Matic. But it's fine. I didn't take this trade, but I was able to know that we're going to have a pullback, and this pullback is something that is amazing. From this pullback, you're going to be seeing massive selling pressure on Matic. So expect more selling pressure, because we break this structure, and obviously we are currently creating a lower high for the market to start taking us to the downside. As you can see, the market respected this other block right here. Yeah, this other block right here. So this is where we came in. As you can see, what happens is amazing. You can see the market reacted at this level. The reason why I was able to do this, I'm actually testing some different entry strategies in crypto, because I don't used to trade crypto that much. I trade the forex market very often, but I'm actually learning so many entry strategies to see the kind of entry strategy. I'm actually doing a lot of back testing and to study the entries in crypto, because I always like to use a very little stop loss for me to get the high risk reward. So I'm actually testing things in crypto, but I did not take this Matic trade, but I only take the Bitcoin trade, and that was what I dropped in the Telegram channel. So all right, so let's get to DXY to see what is happening to DXY, if there is any opportunity for us to capitalize today. Let's go, let's check it out. DXY is so strong, guys. You can see the bullishness, you can see the bullishness, and even today I don't think it's gonna have a retracement. I don't think so. We can see that we haven't had any single retracement. I don't think so, but probably today we're going to create a new high today. You can see there is nothing stopping it. Even if you check on the 4 hours, you can see the market is massively exploding to the upside. Obviously, like I said, DXY is very, very bullish on the long term. So what does that mean? It means that in the long term, DXY will be getting to the price of 120. It's currently at 109. My overall target for DXY is 120 before we start seeing any bearish formation coming up on DXY. As you can see, euro dollar is massively going to the downside, guys. I was expecting to short a different area of interest, but the market wasn't giving me opportunity to sell off. You can see I had so many area of interest marked out for me to take shots, but there was no opportunity. Like yesterday, the analysis I did on Friday, I was thinking, waiting for the market to come here before I can short. So but the market obviously didn't get there, and as you can see, I dropped another POI, point of interest. I was looking for this market to get to this point of interest, but as you can see, it didn't get to that point of interest, and it keep exploding to the downside. So what are we seeing now? This is what I'm seeing. Obviously, we just broke another low right now. We just broke another low. Should we take this as a point of interest? Obviously, because the way the market is going right now, the market is not ready to drop. Like the market is not ready to stop selling off. So as you can see, we broke structure right here. Yeah, we broke structure right here. Just broke structure. So we just have to see if we can actually take some shots at this area. Yeah, if we can actually take some shot here. So this is another area to take shot from. Yeah, because while we just broke, this is a very massive demand area. You can see I have some drawing here. This is a very massive demand area, and we have taken that demand out. Guys, we have taken that demand out, meaning more selling pressure in euro dollar. So as you can see right here, so I'm expecting more sales in euro dollar today. So but this where I just marked it is where I'll be taking my trade, but I'll be very mindful because we have overly extended to the downside. Even if I'm going to risk anything, I'm going to risk below 1% of my account, so that if the market wants to reverse, I won't take big, because we have actually extended massively to the downside. We can actually see bigger pullbacks from here, but like the way DXY is showing up, it is really, really very bullish. We need to be very careful and follow the trend. That's the most important thing. Let's just follow the trend. So AED USD is also another opportunity I'm actually looking out for to take here. As you can see, I'm still very bearish in this. I'm not going to take this thing long. Yeah, I'm very, very bearish. All I need to do is to look for my point of interest. As you can see, we broke structure here. It's very, very tricky right now. I just want to make sure that I'm taking the right POI. As you can see, this structure right here, this structure here broke, caused a low. Yeah, we created a new low here, and the market pulled back and reacted off of it, meaning that we can actually come back here again and sell off. Yeah, obviously. So let's drop down to the 1 hour and see it. As you can see, this is also another area to be mindful of. Yeah, because we reacted here and created a new low, then pushed back, the market reacted in that area, and we have never created new low, obviously, but we have to be very mindful to see if we can see opportunity around this area. Yeah, around this, I'll be very mindful. Like, I won't be very hard to take entry here, but I'll be very comfortable to take the market on this big POI right here on the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour point of interest. Why would I like to take trade here? Because we have so many flat highs here. Yeah, and we just took liquidity at these equal highs here, push to the upside and push to the downside. So I'll be very mindful. I'll see how the market structure start reacting at this level. Now, what happens here will determine if I'm going to take short or I'm going to wait for the market to get here. Like I won't put a sell limit here. I will just look at the market, wait for confirmation, and see what's going to happen right there. All right, let's check out for other pairs. So we have gold right here. Okay, as you can see, gold is very bearish, and we'll just take out a massive demand area. This is a demand area. So you know, if you check something on the left, now for the market to have a pullback, you need to check that there has to be a demand on the left that will facilitate those pullbacks. Yeah, as you can see, if the market did not break that demand, obviously if we didn't break it, obviously I would be like, oh, this is when we might actually reverse from. But as you can see, we have broken it with the body close. This is the end of the demand. This whole region right here is the whole demand. If you check, I don't know if I can just show you on the 4-hour time frame for you to see what I'm talking about, why I am actually taking short. As you can see, this is a whole demand area. This is a whole demand area on the 4-hour. Let me show you so you can see it very closely. I don't want this video to be very long, so let me take it like this. Okay, and okay, let's just take it like this. All right, so let's go to 4-hour. As you can see, the market did not react to it. The market just, you know, break it with a body close, meaning that this demand area cannot give us that pullback we're looking for. Obviously, where can we expect to get pullback from? Obviously, when we start getting to these areas, we will start seeing, you know, gold start reacting, giving us that pullback. But what am I expecting right now? I'm expecting more sales, whereby that we can just pull back to this area, to this region, and drop off. Now, this is what I'm expecting in gold right now. I'll be very, very mindful to see the kind of price action we're going to get at that level for me to start taking the market short. As you can see, look at the way we are moving to the upside, very corrective. There is no momentum. As you can see, we just broke structure, meaning that the market can actually start moving up, meaning that, you know, demand is taking control, you know, not that we are going long. Yeah, meaning that we can actually pull up to this area and look for shorts. So guys, it's going to be a massive opportunity for us because the market have not given us a very clear opportunity to enter the market. So I'm going to be looking forward to enter the market at this area for me to start looking for shorts in gold at the price of 745 or 1745 and 1748. So these are the areas I'm actually paying attention to on gold. All right, thank you for listening. This is where we'll draw the curtain this morning. My name is John Bosco. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. See you in the next video.